want to do what his grandfather, his ancestor do long time ago. And a lot of my lovers too, also they bring it to my notice. Mama talk put this thing. I say, wait till I want to put. Make Obaseki not disrespect our Oba. Make Obaseki no, make it no turn out to politics, this, that. I say, okay, my lady, I will do talk about it, but definitely I'm not going to talk about it like a blind or a stupid woman or a stupid child or one of the irresponsible presenters who just open mouth, talk and make everywhere to become chaos because they are looking for topic. I will not do mine like that. I am going to look for source. I have to know what is going on because here where Emogi lie, if they sweet, but if they put on you, you will know, say, not the sweet. It's very bitter, it's very sour, it's very annoying. Especially when the riffraffs are the one lying on you. Those that cannot even read what is on paper. The one that because it's so irritating sometimes. So, my people, I begin to search. I need to know, what is Obaseki saying? I'm listening to our great king. Oh, I don't understand. Okay, I not to understand 100% of his own because he himself also said there is a misunderstanding. He said there is a misunderstanding. That question keep coming. He couldn't answer it straight because he said there is a misunderstanding somewhere. There is a misunderstanding somewhere. Una no hear that part. Then I go to the side of Obaseki to see what is going on there. My people, I find out that the journey where Obaseki go, not be only Obaseki go, Governor Obaseki go, our crown prince, the one where go be the next Oba if, you know, he was there. And that man, whether they call Lai Mohammed, name of Nigeria, he was there. With other great people also, minister was there. So what are we talking about? Like say, now between Obaseki, Jimmy, and our Oba. It's not something like that. This is something between country and country. This is something between Nigeria and Jimmy. What are you guys talking about? Something that involves Nigeria, meaning the president of Nigeria is involved. The ministers of Nigeria, they are involved. Then Governor Obaseki had to go and represent us. Then another representative from the palace, which is the crown queen, the crown prince, is there. That is how fair the whole thing can be. But they are still in Germany. They never even bring news come back. Nothing much to read about. They have come to a conclusion of this, of that. Social media is already burning. What is it now? If they do now say, whoa, where will our forefather do? Will you be happy? Because we don't hate the forefather of Obaseki. It shouldn't affect this Governor Obaseki when he has not done anything like that. If he really do something like that, let's hear him. But if he has not done, will you shut up and take what his forefather do? Remove her. Hey, now this type of thing, what are they do? So if you go watch that film where they show to us, because I remember saw it never they go for me. Okay? But the thing where they keep showing to us is this type of Edo people. Always, I wish Lucelot will give me permission to show that film again on my platform. According to how they tell Atta recently. If you watch that film, you will cry. At a point, you will hate the Edos. At a point, you will cry. At a point, you will hate Oyibo. At a point, the whole thing will tire you. Say, what is this? What is this? If we want to follow it by what they asked in that film, say, now so it can happen. Most of the Edo people, all those shit, will be blamed a lot. Now they pacify information. Now the trigger power when nothing has happened. But at the end of the day, the one way be una king, now there they can go carry hand. This is what you guys are doing again now. If you get information wrongly and you begin to say, I want to defend my king, and you begin to accuse other people wrongly, you begin to insult them and their forefathers, you begin to put what is not there. Do you know they will not go back to who you dey fight for? Social media if matter never come, this is not something Obaseki can decide. This is something Nigeria and Germany is doing. If una even continue like this, Buhari, una know say Buhari know the reason like every normal human being. If Buhari can't decide, just now say, oh my, what will you do? The Germany, who tell you say Germany find say Edo State is more important to return this thing to or to Nigeria? To Germany, return to Nigeria. Okay? It's none of their business whether Nigeria can decide he stay in Edo, he stay in this. So please, you guys should be careful. Because social media, now so now what they do, why to fear it? Do we only just bring insult, unnecessary attention, disrespect to the palace? Even the palace you guys said you were talking to, if you listen to his speech, he said there is a misunderstanding somewhere. He couldn't go straight. He didn't go straight. He didn't go straight. He didn't go straight. He said there is a misunderstanding somewhere. There is a misunderstanding somewhere. Who knows whether that misunderstanding is coming from the moment all of them had the money where they attached to it. Even Buhari can't get interest, like Mohammed can't get interest, everybody can't get interest for the matter. Now, Benin people want to yaga. They want tomato. Obaseki you decrease. And who are doing Obaseki you decrease. Oh, what about Anam Wesoto? Anam Wesoto. When you tell you decrease, you demand. Why you social media now? Why majo what? Go see our brother go home that day. He not rich Benin go see mama for village. Amam your wife go home. Bet you that nusu. No your portion ya yeke. Obaseki. That's the one that they provoke. If he provoke, make it come obey now. He go do in your mind. If everybody provoke, you do what is in your mind. Please, let us be careful. So far, so good. It's on internet. Go and read it. Okay? Go and read it. There is no concrete conclusion yet. But una yaga might be very dangerous to the Oba kingdom. I am telling you, this is modern time. Don't you know this thing you guys are doing? It have a very big negative impact in the Oba kingdom. It has, Egenama mofora mi ari kalaba. Oba we kayoni ne. Unimu wo eti affect Oba. Where at the fair father, you go keep person. At the fair father, you take it. Una no year Emma of Kano. Anna well aside. Because of what? If people were saying he had power. You know what power? Government still they have been doing it. Even in this Europe time, our queen, the Netherlands queen, once don't shop Aduro for UK. And you are aware. Yes. The monarch are suspending and abandoning and laser because of attitude. If your enemy is too hostile, if the people that is your tribe are too hostile, Edo people, be careful. Be careful. Wagem we opi majene. Wagem opi majene. Area ya binanopa. Ibinanopa mu ya fiume obegena na jene edamwege. Edamwege miniya ka wa believe. Area ya binanopa, wagem binanopa with the truth. So that open binano mushi. Awege mahe. Ian Binanim with very good respect. Okay, we Binanoba, we Sagasaga. We Jeden a holy gas. What below my saki? What we moge? What can you know my bar? Any night tabu moma. What when I have Ushino on one what Binana, Yabegi Yabe, Kaka. Was top. Was top. Emma. Emikeke wasunu awari arte social media. Wati beni wakati ene na ekeneme kede. Awa what's your quo ne o basaki kekebe ekindi wasiemenia Obaseki is disrespecting our king. Can you bring it out in a bold letter? Can you bring it out? No, brainwashing. They are brainwashing you guys to believe that nonsense. This is somebody that will come and go. But before that he come and go, that time he sits there. He has power. I am telling you. Government has power. You guys should be careful because I mean, wrong information. The name in I think that film should be replayed to you guys this time. I mean, Chifinaya, I will want to Chifina. Why I get the palace in Mobamba, Amami wa. But then anyone bear your talk. Be careful, social media people. If we no power, and disrespect of my way, no power, it is not done. It is not done. And you more been no power. What you been no power, you might have been no power. Ekpo my way, what you been no power, it is not done. And talking, Yama. Obaseki have done nothing. He is in control. Why can't you guys read before you start talking? The crown prince is there. That is the representative for the palace. Lai Mohammed is there, representative from Nigeria federal government. Obaseki is there, the governor of Edo State. What is it? Nani ado invite to war. You guys don't have power over these things anymore. Let them do it the way they want to do it, small. But if you put too much power like this, you go see say you don't have power over it. Because money is involved, and this is the modern time. Then Edo ruled Nigeria. But now Edo is a state. He no longer rule Nigeria. And we all know money is coming. So please, Edo people, why we walk on for me? Why Benjamin and Megagire, I give you one. You know what, baby, Kabakajo, I can't destroy 1 year, destroy 10. I'm going to give you one. But again, on our way, Obaseki, or Senate, who waga Popojo, waga Bimajoy, Wamati Taman, was a governor. The governor I move on a moon, a Kabaka. No matter what, $1 million, you make $10 billion, pounds tomorrow. That Kabaka hotel will always be in his heart. Xenophobia. Mr. Ranomigo, with due respect, when they do all this type of thing he was doing, governor is a gay, governor is a Bonisha, governor is a this, governor is a that. Why that? Obviously, Nigeria better. Amami no follow up where almost Ojiye Koryomo. Amami no time I ever go ya much way. But again, no tell everyone now what Bobojoy, Wagay Moma Jeme. Please, I beg you guys, go and read it. Me myself, I go read them because I don't want to sound stupid. I want to protect my Oba. I'm not to destroy his image. I'm not to make him look like they want to control. Please. Even him, go and listen to his speech. They do what you are a liar. I listened to his speech. It wasn't straight and direct. It wasn't straight and direct. He ended up on conclusion. There is a misunderstanding somewhere. Finish. He never said what you guys are saying. They make one home and there is a misunderstanding, misinformation somewhere. Where is it coming from? Are we a man? But I think there is something somewhere. Where will you conclude on something? This is international information. He not conclude. You two when listening, you not go conclude. Waiting. After Obaseki, another bastard we enter. Let me tell you. Nigeria will continue to have bastard. It's a promise to Nigeria. It's a promise. Who promised them? Not ask me, I don't know. But it go hard before Nigeria go get real better person wey go please everybody like abroad they do. It will be very hard. Why? Because of hostility like you guys. So Nigeria, it go hard. It's a promise. Why? Because it's not only Obaseki that is ruling. The other people wait there are supposed to they work. If they don't work, it's not only Buhari that is working. The other people under is supposed to work, but nobody is working. So it go hard. Another bastard replace another bastard. From bastard to badet. So any time one badet come, no do like say you want die. Hey oh, no you are what's this? Oh Usomen wasole lo oshomole honga ebe sobe but Obaseki abig baba usomo re na elekere kianga no mano yebe da yebe solele nye asolele loki ana solele odubu ana solele oshomole abe sole lo Obaseki na no yebe de unwe osobo e mana wana buwa kwale e Jonathan wana ye Ona do buwari Buhari wana ye John waya ye Buhari jo igba to ma we gbe o Nigeria e ta se ju wa to bu wa ta bu wa kwale ti won gbe ti won yin ti won o ti me okoko gbe wa nyon wa fo ti jo I fought the webu wa ka ri yan jo do wa ka so even no gazen ki o so do agiyan. Don't do, please, I'm begging you. I'm begging you. You guys should not let them come and come. Eh? May God continue to empower. Well, thank you, mommy. My lady Monica, you too much. You don't pass your message. Thank you, my lovely people. Please, I'm begging you, my lover. You know, sometimes I give advice like this. It's not for general because please, you will use it years, please. No job they conclude on Obaseki like that. He has done nothing. It's a state government. State governor, they have to be there, is there. From the palace, our Oba is not supposed to be there. He has to send representative, and his best representative is his second in command, the follow-up, which is the crown involved. What are you saying? Do you want the Junior just go those things, go just give them the money, go just go? It doesn't, government doesn't work that way. Government, you know they work like that. And then you go and you know to year. No really care. Ariania, but we are aware. A botel in our more than many 100 years. I'm in Nigeria. Let with me, I wish I'll feel I'll say, oh, you put your own. We go see how many years it go reach for Nigeria. Since war, you both carry many go. Now, Edo State not going to create the thing. They put up for museum. They care. You couldn't they go see people where they work for them. On your beyond. Nepo Dajina, I will not push your because we are go. The where Nigeria and those state people put money together. I need €1 million. Come and carry. I didn't know ya more where Uhuera Menoa, Uhuja Menoa, they don't buy I need there. But because they say, come carry, I'll give you money. So that the thing turn to be good. But be that when you know people, you don't have to worry anymore. Let it go there and let's see how many years it will rain. Onye Gumoto die with Onye Gumoto. Lucky Moto die with Lucky Moto. Which other one again? Oshomole Gota. Oshomole Road die with Oshomole. Which one I Obaseki bring coin like when anyone? Now so. This one so. You go see now. Now let this year not go rain. After this year is over and out. Now Muna no daji. Now we no bow. Now really. I bet you don't. If you not really like on a tradition this thing, oh Igun dede. Since when they don't they make for Igun for the past 100 years, how many una don't put for international museum? Then they go now they don't know. God bless you, my lovely people. Love you all so much. I see you guys later. I want to go dress, come back, okay? One of our sisters need our help. She dated this guy for 2 years, and they can't quarrel because of another girl. So the family of the boy contacted the girl, say, may separate. Say they go talk put for the matter. But before you know, brother don't marry. So our sister need our help. Later. Thank you. My lady say, if they steal from you and the government involved for the thing, to share to the state, where was it taken from? My lady, know that time is different from now. That's the thing. We all need to know. We should not be reasoning from our own small area and leave what is happening in the world. The world has changed. So if you want to reason from, they take from my thing, now they want to return and they say now everybody you go they pass out information that is not right, because that's your information, you know they work again. Okay? This is something of decades, century. So you can't imagine, say, century things. It should be reasoned the way it was taken. Even for this abroad where we did. If you not quickly go do what they do now, by next year, another law will change. Another law will change. And you cannot say, but last year, my girlfriend get it like that. It don't finish. You understand? Bye. You disagree with me, Melody? SCN, yo. I wish you were no money. I want no say no money. I'm not taking a bay yourself. I want no say no money. I want no video for no money. I want no say no money. I'm not taking a bay yourself. Good morning, my lovely people. How you guys doing?